Hello guys, welcome back, and today we are going to unbox the 14 Pro 256 Space Black. And let's straight away go and unbox and pick the simple paper that we use to unbox. And straight away we will open the box and we can see the Space Black iPhone with the USB-C to lightning cable and the paperworks, which include the SIM eject pin and some stickers and usual papers in a simple way. And it says it's designed in Apple in California. And let's go for the iPhone, and let's take the display sticker, and we can turn it on the iPhone. It displays the Apple logo. Here we can see the cameras. It's very huge when I am comparing with my iPhone 13. By the way, thanks to my cousin who gave me this iPhone to unbox. And straight away we can see the dynamic island on the top. That's what this phone separates a lot from earlier models of iPhone. And guys, if you want to know how to set up iPhone, you can wait till the end, where you can find a iPhone video. In that video I will show how to set up an iPhone. And that's all for the unboxing. And let's take the iPhone case, protect this iPhone. This is a rugged silicone iPhone case, which will look cool too, and nice and easy to maintain. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in a new video. Thank you. Bye. Peace.